Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Honor Play 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Tools and tap on Recorder. Then click at the red button and choose Allow. Click at the red button again to start your recording. You can end it the same way. Now click on the square icon to name your recording and tap Save. Click at the bottom left corner to see all your recordings. If you want to delete one of them, tap on it, hold, choose Delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!